Hey, welcome my scrapping friends. I am Vanessa and this is all about our interactive 12 by 12 scrapbooking pages. I released a video yesterday showing you, a few of the sets, and I promised you that I would come on and do each set individually. So that's what I'm doing. I am so excited to share this project with you guys. It has been a long time coming, and yeah, it's going to be a wonderful journey. Wonderful journey. All right. I can't remember how many photos this one will hold. Maybe as we go through, I can kind of keep a track and give you a final count. But I will tell you, I will be making an album that will house these 6 sets. Yes, there will be 3 different storage options to store these in, and plus when we make our album by hand, I'm bringing the mini albums that we make, and I have brought it to our 12 by 12 scrapbook world. Okay, so it's going to be, I want to give you an easy, not everybody's scrapbook's the same. So I want to make one that, for the beginner and, maybe the medium and the advanced scrapbooker. So I will be giving you 3 ways to bind this and 3 storage options, okay? Because I want everyone to be able to do this, okay? I will be doing one in a 3D 3D ring binder, and we will be making, like I said, an album to put these in. And then I have another option. I've got a toy with it. I have the idea, and so yeah, I mean, good things to come, guys. Okay, so let's look at this side first. Okay, are you guys ready? So here, I just put 2 photo mats, and here I cut out a design, and then I didn't like how it was kind of flimsy, so I backed it with black cardstock, and I'll tell you what, listen to that. That's pretty strong now, and I love it. I mean, yeah, it may not be perfect. I just drew it out by hand, and that's what it wound up to be. So you open it up, and you have 2 flaps here, and then you have a space here, and then you have a nice pocket here, and I think there is a booklet. Let me see. Yes, it was in my other one. So I did make a little booklet. And it just slides right into that pocket. Okay. And then this side opens up. And again, you've got your 2 photo mats here. Place for photos here. And look at this, guys. Look at this. I am so excited about sharing these with you guys. I held off for so long, and finally I thought, you know what, I gotta release this, because I really think you guys are gonna like this. So we have a waterfall here, guys. Look at this. And I know it's not going to be all in camera, but we have a waterfall. Ain't that nice? And you put your pictures here. Then that side just flips open. And again, you have a waterfall here. So this one would hold, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14, and I'm going to guess probably around 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6, 27. So probably around 30. Okay, so there's 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Could do 35. Okay, so 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Yep, 44 just on this side. And you add 44 on this side, that's 88. That's 88 photos. 88 photos, guys. In fact, I think I'm going to write that down, because I had this all counted up, and I lost my little sticky notes. They went bye-bye. So 88 photos, roughly. Now, ain't that awesome, guys? I'll save that book because I think it goes in the other one too. Can't remember. But yeah, ain't that neat? Let's see, this side closes up first. Oh, I forgot to count those. I mean, there's room for 3 photos right there. So, actually, we have 90. So roughly 90 photos this one will hold. Crazy pants. Crazy pants. All right, let's look at the other one. Oh. All right. So this one flips open. Beautiful. So we got, well, I'll count them after I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, about 20 there. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And then we have another waterfall here. I do have a magnet. Okay. So here's the waterfall here. Ain't that pretty darn cool, guys? I love this. Then I just made a little insertion point right here. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So roughly 45 photos. So that set, add 45. There's 135 photos for just that set. Ain't that awesome? Pretty darn cool. Oops, I folded it wrong. So that set will hold 135 photos. Okay, guys. So I will be releasing the other videos some more. So I got some more sets to show you. Now, I do have this in my shop right now where you can purchase the tutorial. Okay. And if you purchase it now, you get everything that I have in there right now, plus everything I'm going to be adding into it. I will tell you, it is a work in progress. I do not have the cutting guides done for any of this. There probably won't be any written instructions, but you will be getting the cutting guides. I will be working on, next weekend, I will be working on this project. I'm going at a scrapbook retreat, and I am going to work on this project and try and get her all finished up for you guys. Okay, well, not finished up, because I don't think I'll ever be done. I think it's a project that's going to keep on giving and giving and giving. I will tell you right now, my tutorials right now are all 50% off until next Sunday night. That will end. So if you're interested in this, I would highly suggest go to my website, scrappingitupwithnog.com, and purchase this while it is at a very low price, because I will tell you, once I get the cutting guides and the albums all made, the price will increase, because I'll tell you what, this is a great big huge project, and right now I have it at a low price because it's not finished yet, and I want to offer you guys that. So all right, I'm gonna get off here. Be keeping an eye out for the other sets, and let me know what you guys think in the comments, please. I would really like to know what you guys think of this. Okay, as always, keep scrapping. Bye bye.